In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to incorporate Calendly into your email signature effortlessly. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a freelancer, or a busy executive, making it easier for people to schedule time with you can significantly streamline your workflow. So, grab a seat as we dive into this simple yet impactful tutorial. To kick things off, navigating to Calendly's official website is your first order of business. Calendly is a powerful tool for scheduling meetings without the back and forth emails. Once you're there, the website welcomes you with an intuitive interface, but you'll need to access the functionalities by logging in. So, go ahead and click on the Login button. Logging in can be done effortlessly with your Google account. Look for the Continue with Google option and give it a click. This leads to selecting your preferred Google account for linking with Calendly. If you are, like most of us, having multiple Google accounts, make sure you select the one you want to be associated with your Calendly scheduling. Upon selecting your account, you should grant Calendly permission to access your Google account, a standard procedure for using the integrated calendar features. After permitting, a brief moment of configuration happens behind the scenes, seamlessly syncing your selected calendar with Calendly's booking features. Now here's where the magic of scheduling happens. Navigate to your Calendly dashboard by going directly to your event types page. This page showcases various meeting types you've set up or allows you to create new ones. For the purpose of this guide, we're focusing on embedding an existing meeting link into your email signature. So find the meeting type you wish to use and click on Copy Link. This action copies the URL leading directly to your personalized scheduling page. With this link copied, the next step is to embed it within your email signature. Open your Gmail account where you want this scheduling link to appear in your outgoing emails. Once in Gmail, click on the Compose button to open a new email window. For now, ignore the temptation to write an email. We are here for the signature. Now in the new email window, you won't immediately see options for signatures. To find it, click on the pen icon situated at the bottom of the email composition window. This action should reveal your existing signatures, assuming you've set one up previously. If not, this process will inspire you to create one. Make sure you select the signature you intend to edit from the drop-down menu. The signature editing area allows you to creatively format your text, add images, and crucially for our purpose, hyperlinks. Here's where you paste your copied Calendly link. Now, rather than merely pasting a URL, which can look cumbersome and uninviting, it's best to hyperlink a call to action phrase such as schedule a meeting with me. Highlight this text, click on the hyperlink button, and paste your Calendly link there. This creates an elegant clickable call to action directly in your email signature. After pasting and hyperlinking your Calendly link, it's essential to save your changes. Gmail often saves these changes automatically, but a quick check never hurts. With that settled, every email you send out from now on includes an inviting link for recipients to effortlessly schedule meetings with you straight from their inbox. Just before we conclude, a couple of tips to make your Calendly experience even smoother. Consider your meeting type settings on Calendly, ensuring they align with your current availability and preferences, providing a seamless scheduling experience for you and your invitees. Additionally, periodically reviewing your signature and its embedded links ensures everything is up to date and functioning as expected. In wrapping up, integrating Calendly into your email signature is a fantastic way to streamline your scheduling process, making it more convenient for both you and your contacts to manage meetings. Remember, the goal here is to make communication as efficient and as accessible as possible, and with this simple addition to your email signature, you're well on your way. Thank you for walking through these steps with me today. Whether it's setting new meetings or managing your availability, your scheduling just got a whole lot easier. Until next time, stay organized and productive.